Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi pa, happy birthday, happy 80th birthday. More blessings to come. Yeah, I say hallelujah. Kay next year, another birthday na po. Okay? Love you.
Hi Daddy! Happy 80th birthday! Praying for your good health, more candles to blow, more cakes to slice, and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday again, and salamat sa tanan, pakalig-on, until pila pa ka years. Bye-bye, love you! Daddy, salamat sa pagpangga sa mga bata. Ikaw, son. Thank you, kaayo. Tarong. Gina.
Una. Apoy sabok.
Gina. Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you.
Sabok.
Hi Tito, happy birthday din ni mo ha. Manaot nga good health ka permi ya. Ampo na ko nga tagan kas kay tas ano daghang kang birthday. Ug daghang kay salamat sa imong papangga sa imong apo, sa imong pamilya. Daghang kay salamat ug happy birthday nimo. Ug I love you. Bisag tagsarta magkita pero naara ka sa akong kasing-kasing. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day ha. Salamat. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tito. Happy birthday, Tito.
Good health always.
Good day as always.
You, happy birthday Tito. You.
Happy birthday, Tito.
I love you.
Love you.
Hi.
Happy birthday, Tito.
Miss you.
Good always.
Ay na, I love you na.
Love you. Love you.
Bye-bye. Kita kids, ito ikaw, ma.
Aman.
Good morning. Today is July 18, Ogma 19, birthday ni Dominic Bernice. Happy 80th birthday, Do. Wish you all the best.
Happy birthday, Kuya Nick. Good health always and more birthday to come.
Mabuhay Kuya Nick! Happy birthday! 80 ka na! I wish that you will have more and more birthdays to come. And we love you from Wally and Cheryl and Nat from New Zealand. Hello Kuya! Bye-bye!
Hi, Kuya. Happy birthday.
Hello Kuya Nick, happy birthday.
Happy 80. 80
Happy
birthday,
birthday
Kuya.
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Kuya.
Happy birthday, Kuya Nick.
Love you.
Musta rin Kuya Nick? Sorry diri pohon ug makalugar. Apiki na may kami mo anak ko ini kay way kwarta. Gasto yung pumiliti apiki na gyud taon di para sa una nga napakita. Sayon nun ra kana. Anya enjoy lang Kuya Nick, mag-enjoy sa iyong birthday. May tapuhon og makasuroy ka dire og masin pog makasuroy mga kita mi kwarta pohon.
Pohon.
Happy birthday Kuya.
I love you, Kuya. Thank you, Kuya.
Miss
sa
you, Kuya
inyong
Nick.
kaayo.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Kaya si happy birthday ni
Happy
Papa
birthday,
Nick.
Papa Nick.
Happy birthday.
Yeah,
Hindi,
Papa
Kusga.
Nick. Yeah, Kusga, louder.
Louder.
Happy birthday.
Papa Nick.
Papa Nick.
Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Pre, happy birthday. God bless you, more birthdays to come, and amping ta kanunay pre.
Happy birthday, Tito.
Happy birthday.
Wish you happy birthday. Dayon, good health. Oh.
Wish na ko Tito na more birthdays to come, good health, dayon Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Papi Nick. God bless. And more birthdays to come. Good health. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Daddy. I love you. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Stay happy and healthy.
Go.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Good health always. I love you. Happy birthday, Daddy. I love you. Happy birthday, Daddy. I love you.
Happy birthday pa! I wish you good health always. O daghan pang katuigan para makauban nimo yung mga apo o kami tanay nga nag-love nimo. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, my love. Ayaw na pagsigsapot. Okay. Nahadlok na yung mga apo kasi kasapot. Mimiss ko nun mo sila niya. Sapot lang kapon ka. Love you. Good health always. And more years. I love you. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Daddy. We love you.